What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. Gunnar, you want to say hi to everybody? Where you? There you go. Gunnar found a football, a nice, nasty, old Star Wars something, I think. I don't even know. But Gunnar loves it. Right, buddy? You happy with it? So today is the big day, guys. It is the big install of the new OBS center console. We're doing a couple other things to the OBS while we're there, and I'm really excited to bring that to you guys. And Chris's light bar is actually getting installed on his truck today as well. I know it was supposed to happen yesterday, but our wiring guy ran out of time. So you guys are gonna get a little bit of light bar action as well by the end of the day. And check out what showed up for the SEMA build. We've got another Gen Y hitch here. And obviously this hitch is significantly smaller than the one on my truck because this is going on the lower Tahoe. Which I'm not exactly sure how that's gonna work, but whatever. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got. The amount of plastic wrap on this thing is definitely not California friendly. All right, we finally got it unwrapped. This is their Mega Duty 7.5-inch drop. Gross load capacity, 10,000 pounds. Obviously we're lowering the Tahoe, so I might actually flip this upside down on the Tahoe and let it come up. And Gen Y always gives you the whole package here. You got hitch pins. They've got their little set screws right there. So basically when you have a hitch in there, you can screw in a little set screw to take any of the little wiggle out of it or the extra play. And then of course you've got the hitch step here, which I am too lazy right now to undo because this took forever to get all the plastic off. So a huge thank you to Gen Y for jumping on board again with another one of my SEMA builds. I am super excited, guys. So we made a quick pit stop over here at the warehouse. Got to get all the water bottles cleaned out of the Ford before taking it in to get work. Because, I kind of feel bad at how messy I get it, how quickly. Let's see how many we got underneath here. So while we're over here, we're checking on the progress of Chris's truck. I actually had the light bar left in my warehouse, so I had to bring it over here. Get installed. We got the man, Sergio, up there. He's going to be doing Chris's install. Say what's up, buddy. What's your company?
International Emergency Products, IEP.
IEP, there you go. So we'll be back, later today?
Yeah.
Chris's truck will be done?
All done by today, at the end of the day.
Nice. All right, now all of our morning obligations are done. Now we can focus on ourselves and get the old OBS there taken care of. I'll see, we got a little controller here.
Yeah, the only thing we did with the airbags on this one in the trunk, I didn't touch any of the audio yet. Coming soon. He went to another shop, got some funky stuff done. He wants us to, you can see his center console's all gapped out and kind of messed up.
He learned the lesson I learned.
Yeah.
Come to Ronnie's Electronics.
Except he paid a lot more than what
Yeah, I didn't pay that. The reason I went with the crappy route is because it was super cheap.
Yeah, cheap's not terrible, but nah, not when you get screwed over.
No, what is it? Is this Chris's box that you guys made?
Yeah, 415s. We're gonna cut out the back, just like you see in that one.
There you go.
Get it all rolling.
All right, it'll fit in Chris's truck. It's gonna look good.
No problem.
Don't tell him we blew the secret though. So while the truck's here getting a bunch of stuff done, one thing I'm sick of doing is having to individually unlock doors. So we're getting a alarm system put in, as well as like a nice sweet key fob. This came with the factory Ford key fob, but for some reason, once I bought the truck, it just never worked. No matter what I do, I could not make it work. So hopefully we got a little upgrade going in, right?
Yeah, we're doing a prestige paging alarm. That way you will be notified on the key fob if something does happen.
John's over here pulling out the trailer brake controller because we got to relocate that. Being that the center console is now going to tie completely in.
We're all ready. Let's check it out.
Uh-oh. I'm nervous, man. I've been seeing some pictures. Let's see it. Woo! Hope you like that. Yeah! That's badass. Dude, you guys killed it.
Then you get the remote, so you'll be able to change the colors to whatever you want.
Dude, that is so sick. Fuck yeah, dude. Ooh, nice and soft. So everybody wondering what was gonna happen with the cup holders. We got, boom, our 4 cup holders added. Beautiful. The 2-tone vinyl looking killer. Got our side pockets.
4 USBs, 2 fast charging, and then 2 slower ones.
Voltmeter.
And then obviously your storage compartment.
Oh, dude. That is killer.
Hey, as long as you're
well
happy,
done,
I'm happy.
brother. You fucking killed it, man. Dude, I'm stoked. That looks so sick. All right, now we got to build something for the BBB. Now that I'm seeing this, we got to do something for the BBB. Special delivery.
Oh, yeah.
Out with the old temporary, going in with the new. What do you think, Drew? Should we sell this as a Dmaxryno original?
Yeah, it's actually going to be up priced about 50%.
So if you guys want, for an extra charge, I'll sign it. Because I heard there's some douchebag in the audio industry that actually charges for signatures.
Actually, can we borrow one of your hairs?
Yeah.
If I get a hair on there, it's worth more.
So just like in construction, Building it's one thing. Figuring out how to get it in is another thing, right?
No, I'm just gonna take the seat out and it'll drop right in and I'll pop the seat back in.
There you go. So it's already screwed together over here. You guys remember seeing it previously to where the center console was in 2 pieces, but it is fully attached now. Ant, tell him, bro, you'll get it in no problem, huh?
Yeah.
Easy for you?
Yeah, not that easy, but I'm doing.
You're busy though, right? Yeah. I've been seeing you over here at this toolbox for like 4 hours today. What are you doing, dude?
Recognize all the tools.
So in these old Fords, the seats are all attached to one bracket. It's kind of a pain in the butt to get up underneath there and remove just one individual seat. But it's no problem for John. So that's the wire that they had pre-run for the sub, which is what we tied into the little temporary DD audio enclosure that we had back here. Oh, for your Instagram or what?
Myself.
Oh. I'm nervous, guys. I'm nervous. I don't want to. Careful, John. All your hard work. Woo. I don't think they could have nailed the color scheme more perfect with the going the 2-tone on the vinyl. I mean, it almost matches the Ford interior. Running the 2 grays up there on the dash, it's like perfect. You nailed it, John.
It matches the truck pretty damn nicely.
Yeah, I don't think it gets any better than that, for sure.
Yeah, it looks way better in 2-tone than it does just a single color.
Yeah, single color looks like work truckish. Yeah. So now John's getting everything kind of test fit where it goes, running everything that's already pre-wired. All the wiring out for the lighting and for all the USB inputs. And the thing we opted with this truck, or thing we opted to do here, is we opted to make those USB inputs live all the time. One of the problems I'm running into even with my Denali is I need to charge camera batteries all the time. And you can't charge camera batteries off the USB ports because they're not live when the ignition is turned off. And then so if you have a cigarette lighter, you're good, but obviously we removed the cigarette lighter out of this truck a long time ago. So instead I just opted to make the USB ports live all the time. That way I can constantly charge camera batteries and not have to worry about the key being left in the truck. Looks like they got a Harley in here getting some DD audio speakers in it as well. Now that it's wired up, John's putting the passenger seat back in. Gunner's gonna have a sick view in the back seat over here. He's gonna get to check out the sub. Sick Work For It logo. Put some water in the cup holder for him. Some dog food on the other side.
Hell yeah.
Might be a little early, but should we start stocking it up now, John?
Oh yeah, hey bro, you can fit 12 of them here.
Jeez.
Probably 3 in here, another 2 in the back.
Look at that. Oh, found another one. I cleaned this out before I came to. But I'm still finding them. Look at that. Oh, dude, it's a match made in heaven.
Oh, 3 down.
Right? I found number 4.
There you go, there's probably more behind you. We got a big gulp over there.
Yeah. What do we got, Adam? What's going on, bro?
Swapping you out your alarm. You had a factory Ford code alarm, and this thing's all done up pretty nasty.
A lot of electrical tape. Oh yeah, that's a nice wiring harness right there.
What you think?
It's classy, dude. At least they have fuses on it, right?
Oh yeah, fuses are.
Damn, we cut that whole thing out. Holy crap.
Yeah, you don't need none of this no more. This stuff's like bubble gum too. It's all over me. Oh,
this is why I don't try and do any of that type of stuff myself, because yeah, I wouldn't know what to cut out and how half that stuff is useless. What's up, Wes?
What's up?
Oh, sorry, dude. I was in the middle of flossing.
Yeah.
Are you flossing with gum in your mouth too? That's multitasking right there, dude.
Yeah.
It's like clay bar in your teeth. So we got the truck moved outside. They had to use the lift in there, put some wheels on a Chevelle. Let's see if we get Wes's seal of approval. What do you think, Wes?
I already approved. You know, I was getting the behind the scenes.
I heard
before,
the logo on there was your doing, buddy.
It wasn't my doing. I approved it. I said, yeah, he would definitely appreciate that.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you, man. I appreciate that.
So that means for you to appreciate that, you got to sit in the back. So who's gonna drive you around?
Gunner's gonna appreciate that, dude.
Okay,
Gunner's gonna be in the back seat. He's gonna appreciate that.
Got some dog bowls
Yeah,
full.
food, water. Shit, we could throw Dave back there. I did find. I mean, we got the ideal setup for Dave right here, bro. A giant Sprinter van with a cage to lock people in. Like, tell me that's not creepy. Hold on, did you think about a price for sell me the truck? How much? Did the price go up? How much for the price? $3,500. $3,500. I thought it was gonna go down.
The tires, man.
Okay.
It's a tire, so it's
It's
gonna need to go
everything. Everything.
Oh, that's
like
all.
That, like that.
All the inventory.
Everything.
Ooh, it's a lot of inventory.
This one, you know how much? 700.
700 for the freezer?
Yeah, and I got in a Home Depot.
Yeah, Brian. I saw one at Home Depot for $200.
No, no.
Hey, this guy will come work for you. You want him to come work for you? What do you want, Wes?
I'm looking.
Oh.
There's so many options.
Let me get one of the chamoys. Yeah, and a bomb pop. Dude, I got the keys, bro. I'll sell it back to you. 3,500.
Free ice cream.
3,500.
Free ice cream.
Easy. Adam's gonna flip the truck over.
Are you still recording?
Are you shaking him down, dude?
Quarter's gonna fall.
As you guys know, a lot of you guys have been saying I need to do audio for the old BBB build, but one thing I don't want to lose is my under seat storage area. So I've been saying forever that we need to be able to cram something behind the seats in. Everybody's been telling me there's not enough room. So Wes's seats fold forward. Let's see, you gotta flip this booger up. And then fold it forward. And tell me there's not enough room right in there to do something?
Shit, I might have the perfect solution. I'll be right back.
I like perfect solutions. If we can find a solution that goes actually behind the seats, like, you know, that's what I had in my old truck. That's what you know, it's where everybody put stuff back in the days. I will probably end up doing something for the BBB build, but if not, I don't know. I just don't want to lose the under seat storage.
Hey, you have the room to do 815s back here.
John says you got the room to do 815s.
I know, because I have the same truck, and I want to do 815s.
Well, real men do 815s, right?
Yeah, like Greg Corbin,
What?
like Soul Crusher.
Why?
Oh,
That's
see, we got
huge.
DD Audio
1506.
1506-9 HQ SC. It'll go in. It'll go in. You gotta come in from the side right here.
There's no way,
Look,
because the
coming
box
in
is
an
gonna
angle.
be big.
Yeah, you ain't fitting them behind the seat.
It's a lie. We got this. John, it's a good challenge for you, buddy.
Nah, I've already tried, and I've failed multiple times.
I don't know.
I've taken different avenues.
Adam's on it right here. Look at, he's figuring it
Yeah,
out.
you gotta remember
it
a
fits,
box
it
is
ships.
gonna be in there.
We don't need a box.
Trying to figure it out, but
The box is
Yeah, we don't need a box right there. Look at, boom.
No.
You got play on all this.
Dude, John,
Yeah,
this might work.
Keep in mind, Wes has the risers.
They do a.
You're gonna have to get risers too.
I have to go risers. I got to put a lift kit on my seats.
Yeah.
But there's room, right?
Any level lift, right?
Yeah, there you go. Any level.
You need what, about 1.5 inches of clearance
Of what?
between surround and floor?
Preferably more. Why, you want to do downfire?
Yeah, that's the only way this is gonna work.
This thing?
Not
Behind
mine.
it.
No,
He's
mine.
just test fitting for his other truck.
Oh.
He has the same one.
I got about 4 fingers, so I might actually be closer to 2.5 inches.
How many fingers do you need for all the ferrets?
6 fingers for all the ferrets.
6 fingers? That's what she
There-
said.
it's gotta be sausage fingers though.
Oh, all right.
Only
Problem
sausage.
is-
Welcome, buddy. Welcome to join us. Are you here to get your stereo installed?
Easy.
What?
Easy. Not on camera, man.
No, not on camera? Oh. Let's go see what they did to your truck, bro. Let's go check out your light bar. Come on.
No.
Come on.
No.
You show the white.
It turns on and off.
Let's go see. We want to see. He's got his Phoenix light bar installed right there in the grill. Controller's inside. I know it does a bunch of light functions. We got all white. Thing's pretty bright for being a single row LED. I like it because when you're standing at about this height, you don't see the light bar. See you guys. Let's see if it works. Woo!
10 minutes to unlock the passenger.
It's true, man.
Mind your business, tell them mind your business. Not religious, so don't ever cross me like a line of scrimmage. It's not a gimmick, every single day I live it. Money don't sleep, got it painted by the minute. Money comes, money goes, but I never lose my flow. I ain't messing with these hoes, I stay messing with my bros. Now you messing with a pro, never stressing all the dough. It's a blessing, now I know my team winning is for show. Now I know my team winning is for show.
You know what I like about this setup is it's really loud inside. It's got plenty of bass for what I want, but you hear no rattles on the outside. I mean, other than the big rattling power stroke, but no rattles, nothing shakes, nothing vibrates, because that stuff drives me absolutely crazy. Then you come inside.
Killer, bro.
1.8, that's all it takes.
Supercharged, DD Audio.
DD Audio 2508.
My bitch bad and bullshit bad. Cooking up dope with her.
Just catching you touching everything, bro.
I know. One of these in the center console.
Oh, your truck?
Yeah, why not?
I'm down, dude. I think that'd be cool. So, well,
Nothing
first of all,
bad.
can we just talk about how first Wes has to touch everything. Now he's Indiana Wes over here and he's whipping everything.
Found a piece of 10 gauge.
Oh, you gonna scrap that?
No,
Hey, bro, give Wes this. Wes needs to do something around here. He's been hanging out here, hasn't spent no money. Wes, at least you could do is mop the floors, bro.
Yeah, but I may not spend any money, but we brought money here.
That is
I
true.
brought you here.
You got all of us hooked to spend money here. What do you got in your hand right there, Chris? That looks like a receipt.
I take it. Chris is a one-upper, man.
That looks like he is a one-upper, huh?
Damn, Chris.
I got some stuff done to my truck. You had to go get it done.
You're a cool guy, man. You don't have to fucking try to show out for everybody, man. I'm not, dude. I like.
So we've been hanging out outside for a little while. We noticed Chris has been gone for a minute, and then he comes strolling out, and he's got looks like a carbon copy of a receipt there.
Yeah, he's being real secretive about it.
I think he's, you think he ordered a system for that thing?
Either he's embarrassed by what he paid, or he just trying to.
Oh, I ain't embarrassed.
He's trying to show us up.
I think he's trying to show us up.
Yeah.
Chris is a one-upper, dude.
Yeah.
Actually, I'll let Wes see it.
Yeah.
I can't let the channel see it.
All right, well, I'm not the channel, I'm Ryan.
Sorry, channel.
Perks of the job. Well, here, we'll look at Wes's reaction. We'll see what he's got.
Perks of the job. So
Let's look at Wes's reaction. Oh, jeez, not good, not good.
can't read Adam's scribble. Adam, can you translate this? He did all right. I mean,
I mean, I got to give a huge shout out to DD Audio for doing the full audio in this truck. Upgraded me to the supercharged, taking care of me. So thank you to DD Audio.
Supercharged?
Oh, you got supercharged too?
Yeah, I got supercharged.
All right, well, Chris got supercharged too. So apparently, we're all gonna have to be running DD Audio. Oh, he's got something extra because he's got to one up everybody.
It's not on that receipt.
Oh, it's not on the receipt.
Damn, Chris.
Hey, look at me. Wes got shirts, bro. You didn't get a shirt. You didn't spend enough money.
Oh, see?
Dang.
He hasn't spent anything.
Thank you, brother.
Of course, enjoy it.
Good shout out, bro.
And shout out, follow us on Instagram, Ronnie's_electronics, Facebook, Ronnie Real. Check us out.
There you go. And my main man, John.
Acoustical Designs Inc.
There you go. All right, well, guys, I got to say a huge thank you to Ronnie's Electronics, a huge thank you to John, a huge thank you to Adam, a huge thank you to Ronnie, everybody over here putting in all the work that they did on the BBB build. This center console is absolutely awesome. I know it's dark right now, so I can't really show you guys too much of it, but you can see the cool little light show going on in the back there for Gunner. This thing turned out absolutely epic. I highly recommend you guys hit them up. I don't think I anticipated a center console looking as good as this looks. I said I wanted it to kind of mimic the Chevy or the GM style center consoles, and they absolutely nailed it. So I'm super, super stoked. So with that, we're gonna wrap up this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that we do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out.